Hey y'all, welcome back. This hair though. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into this video. This is a 27 piece. It's by Bump. I just installed it last night. I didn't do a tutorial video on how I installed it because I was watching the second part of the Bobby Brown story. I know, but it was so good. It was so good. But yeah, so I didn't get to film the tutorial on how I installed it. I accidentally threw the box away. But I did take pictures of the box and the hair. The hair came in three different little bundles, like they almost look like donut buns, almost like half donut buns. And I think they were like 1 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inches. Each bundle had 9 pieces to it. I know I didn't record it, but I'm gonna just tell y'all what I did, okay? So I started with the middle bundle, the 2 inch bundle, and I took matter of fact, I only took one of them and I split it in half, and I used those as my last 2 tracks back here. And I did that because I wanted to have some length to kind of cover up my little naps back here. After I put those 2 inch bundle pieces in, I used all of the 1 inch bundle, and I literally just put them in like this until I got to like right here. Then I started having them come up like this, and so they stopped around like right here. And so then right here I started the rest of the 2 inch bundle, and I just kept them coming around like this. And so once I got done with all of those, they stopped about right here. Okay, and so I used all the hair. I've used all the 1 inch bundle and all the 2 inch bundle at this point. All of this section right here has hair, and so this right here and this right here is just a stocking cap. I mean, you can see the stocking cap. So I cut all the pieces to fit into this section right here, and this was the 3 inch bundle. So I started to lay those right into here. So once I got done, I just had a circle right here. And so what I did was I took the glue and I kind of like put it around, you know, maybe like a ½ centimeter thick. And I just started taking the tracks and just laying them in a circle around. Add more glue and adding more tracks. And so I think once I got done, I had one of the 3 inch tracks left over. I didn't use it, and I had to cut half of the last track because the space was getting too small for me to add the closure piece to it. So overall, all I had left over was 1.5 pieces of the 3 inch bundle. So you know how the little closure piece comes with the lace on the bottom of it? I cut all the extra lace off, put the glue on it, and popped it on right in there. And so we was all done. When I got done, it literally looked like, y'all know those marching band hats that like the marching band students wear at like outside at the y'all know what I'm talking about, the marching band hats, the big marching band hats. That's literally what my head looked like after I got done installing all the hair. Like, it was like that. So it looked like I could take it off and put it down and like put it back on. So then I have this little razor comb, and I just went through. I used this side, the thinner side. I literally just went through and kind of just combed it all out, and mainly just in the front, because the back I used the shorter inches, so it's already kind of giving me that tapered look. So I just like I said, I went through, kind of shaped it up to kind of form it to, you know, shape my face and, you know, what I liked or whatever. I actually cut off a lot of it, and the hair is like pre-curled as well. It has like a little bump to it. But yeah, this hair, like, it wraps really good. And of course, you just put your scarf on, twist it, or whatever. When I got up this morning, I just kind of like finger comb it to how I want it to look, you know. I like this messy bang, kind of like the choppy cut bang. And then, you know, just go through and kind of fluff it up a little bit. Or, you know, you can like swoop it to the side. You know, fluff it up a little bit, fluff it up a little bit. And you can even like take it the other way if you want to, like flip it the other way if you want to. I mean, I guess it's whatever your preference is or whatever. The hair is human hair, so you can flat iron it if you want to. I haven't flat ironed it. I really don't feel like I don't really need to. It's actually just laying perfectly and doing everything that I wanted to do right now. Yeah, this hair was only $14.99. $14.99, y'all. In the pack, included with the 3 bundles, they give you a stocking cap. They also give you a shower cap, just in case you want to make it a wig. You know, you put the shower cap on first, then you put the stocking cap on, put the hair on, and then you can take it off to make you a wig. Of course, if you don't want to cut it, you don't have to. I want to say that the hair was a little bit longer. I just, you know, chopped it up the way I wanted it to be. You know, how I felt comfortable with wearing it or whatever. But there's so much versatility in this one box of hair, because you can get it to look however you want it to look. You know, if you want more of a pixie, more of a shorter pixie look, you know, you would put the longer tracks in the back and put the shorter tracks in the front, and you know, chop the back up all the way. Because like I said, I did the longer tracks in the front and did the shorter in the back, so I really didn't have to, you know, chop anything off the back, because it already gave me that shorter look in the back. I'm sorry, and I'm gonna show y'all the back real quick because I didn't show y'all. I've definitely been sleeping on these 27 pieces. I would say if you're thinking about cutting off your hair, or if you're thinking of, if you already have short hair and you're scared to, and you want to try a new color and you're scared to, try this, you know, in the color that you're thinking of trying first, and see how you like it then. I think this hair is the bomb. It's just so cute. And you know what I like about this hair? So like, if I'm like being real, if I'm having me a real lazy day or whatever, look, if I do my hair like this, if I wear my hair like this, I probably won't even have to draw my eyebrows on. I just do my makeup and don't have to worry about my brows, because I know, yeah, I know sometimes it take like 25-30 minutes to get these eyebrows right. But if I wear my hair like this, I don't gotta do my eyebrows. But like, if I wear them like this, then I'm gonna go ahead and have to draw them bad boys in. So yeah, I know I'm about to be wearing my hair like this for like the next 2 weeks. I'm just playing. I'm not for real. But anyway, I think I told y'all everything. If I missed anything, or if you have any extra questions or any comments, please leave them in the comment box below. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and do so. I don't know what you're waiting on, or why you haven't subscribed yet. Also, I will leave the link to this makeup look in the description box below. It's just my everyday natural makeup look. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.